wish you
a Merry Christmas
from Little Chip and Big Chip here at the Chocolate Drive. Today, we will be opening up the presents we got from our best friends in the Monster Truck community. Let's get started. The first set of presents comes to us from RRC Family Gaming. Let's get these ones open, Little Chip. I can already see what's in there. What do we got there? Ooh, zombie. We got zombie in that one. Who's in this one? Oh, we already see who it is. It's Alien Invasion. Thank you, RRC.
Thank you, guys.
For these trucks, we got zombie and Alien Invasion, guys. Let's see what we got from Toucan, please. What do we have in there, Mitchell?
Oh, black that.
Whoa. We've got 3 trucks in there.
Thank you, Toucan, please.
For getting us Recreation, Sparkle Smash, and Gravedigger the Legend. Let's see what's in the next box. This one comes in from Miss Chocolate.
Bakugan Dragonoid and Captain's Curse. Thank you, Mrs. Chocolate.
For getting us these trucks. Guys, let's see what's in the final box. This one comes in from KandJames TV. Oh, it's a big box. Is it open? Oh, let's see what's in there. Ooh, wow.
Thank you, KandJames, for the truck.
Yes, thank you, KandJames, for getting us Dasher, Slicer, and of course, Little Chip's favorite truck, El Toro Loco Nitro. Once again, thank you to all of our friends in the Monster Truck community. We really appreciate all the trucks you sent to us this Christmas, guys, and we look forward to using them in all of our events, like our sign-up series and Who Gets Unboxed. Little Chip, do you want to unbox any of these trucks today?
Yeah.
You got it, Little Chip. Get them out of the box. Woof, big rip. Thank you, everyone who supported us this year at the Chocolate Drive. We wish you a Merry Christmas.